How to use castor oil for hair growth. Benefits of black castor oil for hair. Generally, castor oils are good for hair, but black castor oil works the most. The black castor oil is made by roasting the castor seeds. This product category rejuvenates the hair, strengthens, makes them thick, while also facilitating hair growth. Black castor oil enhances blood to flow to the scalp, delivering valuable nutrients to the hair follicle. Further treats issues like dandruff and eczema. Benefits of Jamaican black castor oil for hair. This is one of the best black castor oil for hair growth, and is packed with so much usefulness. First, it promotes hair growth as it includes ricinoleic acid that promotes blood circulation to the scalp, resulting in hair regrowth. This oil again moisturizes the hair, treating and preventing split ends. Another benefit of Jamaican black castor oil is that it prevents hair loss, dandruff, and itchy scalp. Benefits of castor oil for gray hair. Are your hair started graying? Worry less. Consistent application of castor oil helps to delay the graying process. The oil ensures proper blood circulation to the scalp and retains pigments. The omega-3 fatty acids are responsible for repairing damaged hair and slowing graying. Benefits of castor oil for hair growth. If you massage the scalp with castor oil, it strengthens the roots, preventing the hair from falling. Moreover, the oil has properties that trigger growth in the dormant hair follicles. Thanks for watching.